where we are. I hope we can see for the light. I hope the light's not absolutely destroying your face. I noticed that earlier on in the early clips that it did. So my apologies, I'm learning with this lighting, malarkey and everything else. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just show you how I'm doing it. So it's just paper in the bottom, more paper in the bottom. Lift this up. Oh, I can rip a tissue. Just more paper in the bottom. That's simple. You can get it all up. Paper in the bottom. I'm going to take our wood, some wood in there. Wood. In fact, these are my old floorboards. These when we did a little bit of a job in the house, I took all the old floorboards up and get rid of them that way. That'll go in. I'll leave that one. So all about recycling, you see. Comes in, leaves the fire, we can cook on it later. We'll see how we go with that. So all we do, we'll lock it up with that. Then we shall set fire to this little baby. Just be safe all the time, guys. Just there's light paper on the side. In the 4 places. So that's how we start that. We'll come back in a few minutes and let's see where we're up to. Okay. So, as you can see, it's all catching light really well now. So what we'll do is just let that burn. Once the embers start coming down and it's available to cook on, we might do a little bit of cooking for you. It's got a mouthful of smoke and I'm not a smoker, so that's what I'll just feel like about 20 wood burning. So, we'll catch you in a few minutes. Let's just see where we go. So, there we go. On fire pit. Actually on concrete now. It could be on anything. It could be on gravel. It could be on a beach. It could be on an even field, in a ploughed field, whatever. The 3 feet will make it nice and sturdy, nice and stable for you. All I've done with this is I've just done a bit of a wire steel griddle over the top to span it. What I'll do now is I'm just going to throw together a little green Thai curry. Shouldn't take that long, and anyhow, I'll throw it together and then we'll take it from there. We might even dine out together. How about that? So anyhow, just bear with me a sec. I'll just throw this on. Just warm that up. I'm using some of this light fry, only 1 calorie a spray. What I'll do is just take that off there. Handle will get off if I'm not careful. So if I just do that little spray around there. My favourite wok this, by the way, about 3 of them. And this has got no parts on it that can melt. That's really important, that, when you're cooking on an open fire. So that'll warm up a little bit and then we'll get cracking. It's all good fun. It's the first time I've ever done a cooking video. How about that? I just hope you can see it. It comes out right. Main thing is as long as it tastes right for me. It's my tea. Right, so here we go. We'll just throw in, let's get these in. We'll just fry some onions off. So in there we've got that actually. So in there you can see we've got onions, garlic and ginger. Just fry that off a little bit. Sizzling away nicely. You don't need lots of oil. People plaster stuff in oil, and it just isn't required. All you can taste if you're not too careful is just the flaming oil. So you just rinse them off like that. We don't want them burning. We'll then add our chicken. Just fry the chicken up. I'm not going to do any cuts or editing on this, it is what it is. So you're going to see this warts and all. It's all real live cooking. Best place to do this is when you're at a festival. You've got a beer in your hand, lots of chatter, lots of people knocking about, everyone having a laugh. And you're just turfing out curries and all sorts of food from you can buy. We've got barbecues going one side, we've got green Thai curries the other side. Tonight I'm all on my own. But hey ho, meal for one, rest of it I can freeze. So I'll just let that browning nicely now. We'll just add some green Thai curry paste. Fry it up with the green Thai curry paste. Get in there now. You know, health and safety. Heat off this thing, that's really fantastic. And now we'll put in half a tin of coconut milk. Oops. Just it's my height there. Just don't want to burn the tea towel. Like that. Just let that bubble away a little bit before we start in our other ingredients. It doesn't take long to put green Thai curry in fairness. Right, so we'll now add some broccoli and some cauliflower. I can go into the mix. And there we've got some peppers and some mushrooms. And just get it all nice mixed round. Coated, that's the way to do it. Tomatoes. My mum always taught me when you're cooking, it's got to look like a flag. It's got to have some red in it, it's got to have some green in it, it's got to have some white in it. Whatever you do, you don't want blue in it. So there we go, got that green, white, red, it's all there. All them beautiful flavours. Smells fantastic. Really does smell nice. The heat off this thing is incredible. You do have to be careful with it. And really should let it die down a little bit until it gets to the embers. Once you get to the embers, then you really go and push the time a little bit this evening. So, anyhow, like we say, it is what it is. So the next thing, we'll just add a little bit more of the coconut milk. Add that to it. Pity we've not got smell-o-vision. Here we go, that's that little bit. And then what we'll add is, we'll add a little bit of fish sauce. It's nice and salty. So, as you can see, it's bubbling away nicely now. It's had a good 20 minutes. All I did was I topped it up with water. Unfortunately, the battery ran out on the camera while I was doing it. So I just topped it up with a little bit of water. It's been bubbling away for 20 minutes on there now without anyone touching it, just to reduce a little bit. I'll just hopefully come this side of it, and then this, there you go, the steam's blown away. So if I just, there you go, we'll just go in on that. Look at that. Hey? Top banana, as they say. Well, there's no banana in it, but absolutely fantastic, that. Okay, so there we have it. Green Thai curry cooked on a free fire pit. Have a look at that there now. Just do a little stir. It's all reduced nicely. It smells wonderful. So I'm going to do some rice inside. Once the rice is done, I'll plate it up, taste it, and we'll see. Okay, so there it is. Chicken green Thai curry with boiled rice, cooked on a fire pit. That was free. Built this afternoon, fired up for the first time tonight. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know I'm going to enjoy the food. So, if you want to see more of these videos, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. We want to do lots more for you. If there's any topics you want us to cover, please drop us a message, email us, it's on our webpage. Just drop us a line and we'll do our level best to cover it for you. Okay, campers, have a great evening, enjoy yourselves, bye.